This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and manage the downward vision positioning on this drone. So in the beginning, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Here, press the cog icon to launch settings, then go into visual navigation, scroll down, go into advanced settings, and you have the downward vision positioning option right over here, which you can turn off or on. And once active, you can also enable or disable the landing protection as well as accurate landing options. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.